I'm gonna record on my tablet because my computer already has it downloaded. You're gonna go to Screencast-o-matic.com/download, and you're gonna download and install. And it comes down here, so you click on it. Do you want to allow this? Yes. Next. Install just, I would do for anybody, but this is a tablet and the kids use it, so I'm just going to put just for me. And install. And then just finish. Once it's installed, this should pop right up, and then this is where you use it. Now on my computer, it's already downloaded, and I pinned it at the bottom, but if you haven't pinned it yet, you just go to search bar and you can, mine's right there, but if not, you can just search Screencast-o-matic, click on it, and it pops up. Okay, I like to do launch free recorder unless you want to sign up for it. The free recorder lets you record up to 15 minutes, but it does not let you edit. But I usually don't have to edit because I record during first period. So if I mess up, I just keep going. Okay, so this comes up, it's the screen, and you can adjust it however you want. You want to show everything. Right here, if you don't see any bars moving, that means it's not working. The microphone's not capturing your recording, so make sure that your mic is working. This is the mic that I use. Sorry for the rubber band. Okay. Let's just turn it on. And you can use any wireless microphone you want. Mine just takes a little bit. There it is. So once I talk on it, you can see the green bar moving. That means you're ready to record. And you just press record. And whatever you do on here is recording already. I like to use my flip chart. And I also like to write on my smart board because it's easier to write. You can even use the graphing calculator. We use Desmos. Or you can use your TI, and it's recording all of this. When you're done, you press pause and done. And I like to upload it to my YouTube. Okay, if you're not connected to YouTube, it'll ask you to connect. But mine's already connected, so I just changed the title. Recording. Oops. Recording. And then you publish. And then it takes a little bit to upload, but once it's uploaded, then you go to your YouTube. I don't know where mine is at. videos will be right there. This is a video that I recorded yesterday. So let's play.
Are for difference of squares. But in order for me to teach you the difference of squares, we're going to go forwards first and then backwards. So
that's what it looks like. It doesn't really record yourself. It records what you're doing,
right? So
everything that you wrote on, and your
for
voice.
instance, let's do this one using a box. I would have x plus 4, x minus 4, and then we start multiplying in. You don't have to copy this one. You would get x squared, you would get negative 4x, you would get positive 4x,
and then what I do is I just share it. So get the link, copy, and paste it to wherever you need to paste it. Google Classroom, Schoology, and then have the kids watch it. Pretty simple.